Everywhere don cast. E don cast. Last, Judy Austin don chop breakfast. Shayo. My people, na dis one dem dey call Oshegbe. Na something na Portable see when e shout wahala o. Na something Awilo see when e begin shout hey. My people, guys, e don set again. Yul Edochie don make U-turn. Gistlover and Judy Austin ex-housemate don scatter everywhere for internet. It's unfortunate that Yul Edochie did not even know some of Judy Austin's secrets until her ex-housemate comot for house help when Judy Austin employ for almost 9 months. As she comot now, as Judy Austin don lose house for Abuja, all the things wey happen for Judy Austin house, wey the house help come dey talk for social media with the help of Gistlover, as Yul Edochie don dey hear some, Yul don make U-turn. Yul Edochie never see anything. I thought he think he knows Judy Austin. Yul no even know who Judy be. Yul Edochie no know who be Judy Austin, the woman when e dey form say im put for house or im marry. As Yul Edochie hear gist like this, as he hear updates like this, Yul Edochie run. E dey run for im dear life. My people, e don set o. Breaking shocking news o. Judy Austin ex-housemate wey comot for Judy Austin house few days ago when Judy was relocating back to Asaba don scatter the internet space again with some deep shocking hidden secrets of Judy Austin. Yul Edochie be think say na because dem no pay the house help na im make am the girl dey come out dey talk some kind things, but Yul now don dey suspect wetin the girl dey talk as true. Because if una remember, they say e get one time some months ago, I did that video, it's still here on my YouTube channel, when they say Yul Edochie no tell Judy Austin say im dey come Abuja, or maybe he was in Abuja, but he was not at Judy Austin's place. Based on that time when he dey wear jalabia, they say relax, Jagaban go fix the country. He was really trying for appointment. Yul Edochie wanted Tinubu to appoint him for one thing or the other. It was really tasty for Tinubu administration. Yul Edochie was not always at home with Judy Austin. So if he go for that political wetin he dey go for, he no dey come house. He go sleep for hotel or he go sleep for a friend's place. They say the day Yul no tell Judy Austin say im dey come over, and Yul overheard Judy Austin talking on phone with someone. Immediately Yul Edochie enter house like this. And so Judy Austin cut the call, delete the number. So Yul Edochie was insisting, asking Judy Austin who was she talking with on the phone. Judy begin cry, come dey swear, why you go say you catch me dey talk for phone? I was not talking for phone, I was just going through my Instagram page. Now Yul say, no, I overheard you. You were talking to someone, talking with somebody. You were not on phone, like you were not on Instagram or Facebook. You were talking on phone. They say Judy Austin come dey cry that day, say Yul dey accuse her wrongly, whether Yul no trust her. Una remember now, this gist come out some months ago when we come dey say wetin Yul Edochie expect. Woman wey comot for her husband house run following Yul. Wetin he expect? Definitely Judy is going to leave him for another man. If another one come now with sweet melody for mouth, he gets more money, he gets more fame, Judy go still leave Yul Edochie run, because a cheat will always be a cheat. Judy Austin don first do am before to her ex-husband Mr. Obasi Emmanuel. So make Yul Edochie not think say na better woman na he marry. Yes, that rumor circulate for social media some months ago, which the house help knows about. She knew about it because e be like say na that month na they just employ the house help. So it can't be like say everything when the house help talk now, na Yul come take reflect on wetin happen that day. Say, I talk am. I was suspecting Judy to be having an affair. She was having an affair with another man. Anyway, During dat time dem say na so Judy Austin come dey cry dey tell Yul Edochie why Yul no trust am, whether e wan dey believe wetin main nations dey talk for social media. She know say na pipu dey push Yul Edochie, na wetin pipu dey talk for social media na im Yul Edochie dey believe now. Why Yul go dey talk say she dey talk to somebody on phone while she was not talking to anyone on phone. Dem say Yul Edochie really suspect Judy Austin that day, but because of the display when Judy Austin come display emotional blackmail, she come dey cry, na Yul come take forget. Ever since, dem say that thing no gree comot for Yul Edochie mind. According to Judy Austin house help, say Yul Edochie even came to her secretly, privately, to tell her, say Yul come tell her say anytime wey im no dey around, say if she notice say Judy Austin dey talk to any man for phone, make she the house help record Judy Austin. And this same thing this house help talk am today, say there was even a time that her oga, which is Yul Edochie, confronted her, like he told her that she should please put eyes on Judy Austin just in case she's cheating on him. Wahala be like bicycle. Nothing wey no dey happen for Judy Austin and Yul Edochie marriage. Nothing. What does not exist in that marriage? What does not exist? Abi what does not happen does not exist. I no know I wan take talk am. Wetin no dey happen no fit exist for, no dey exist for that marriage. Nothing. So my people, this Judy Austin house help now wey don comot from Judy Austin house, wey e talk how dem take drive dem comot for the house because of Judy Austin no fit pay house rent, unpaid debt. Judy no fit continue to dey pay house rent, na dem take pack comot. She don comot from Judy o. She no follow Judy Austin and her children go Asaba now. She don go her hometown. Be like say dem say na Calabar girl. Na im dey tell us now say even Judy dey cheat on Yul Edochie. Say na this one now Yul hear today when Yul don talk am say he suspect Judy Austin, say no, say im instinct no dey fail him. Anything wey im suspect like that, e dey always be true. Say Judy lied to him. So now my people, the pepper body, the annoyance, the frustration, na Yul don put for Judy Austin body now. Dem say no be small war even dey go on now for this new house wey dem still go rent now for Asaba. This face me I face you one bedroom apartment when Yul still go put Judy Austin and her children. Guess what? Judy is not living with Yul. They are not living in the same apartment in Asaba. Yul cannot live with Judy and the children. When Judy Austin go see Yul take do content or they even snap picture together, e go be like say heaven wan fall down. They are not living in the same place now. They live in the same city, in the same state, in the same city, but they are not living in the same house. They say Yul now don dey expose Judy Austin, say wetin her house help talk na true. Judy dey lie say na because the house help dem no pay her, that's why the house help dey lie for her head. How the house help take know say you dey cheat on Yul Edochie? How the house help take know all the calls wey you dey make, the name wey you even take save the man number for phone? They say the name when Judy Austin take save the number for phone na woman name. If Yul Edochie even dey around, that person go dey call, Judy go dey say na her female friend. My people, things dey happen. We think say we dey watch Nollywood, say wetin dey happen for that Nollywood, e no dey happen for real life. Omo, I'm sorry to break your heart. It's not happening o. This one na reality. Wetin we dey watch for African magic, Nollywood, na we come dey see now for real life. Una see how Judy Austin house help, ex-house help, take dey expose all her deep secrets. E don cause big problem between her and Yul Edochie. Yul don made U-turn, say Judy sef go come pack comot for that Asaba. Say that Asaba no go contain him and Judy Austin. Make Judy just go dey do her wetin she dey do, dey go for Abuja. After all, na so im fit even take meet Judy Austin. Na woman wey no fit stay with one man. So Yul, you know say you lose them, how you get them? How you take get Judy Austin, na so you go still take lose am to another man. Mr. Obasi no do Judy Austin anything. He see you fine, you set, you get money wey no be your own. Queen May asset wey you take dey form wetin you no be. You dey drive big car, you get fame, you are famous, you be Nollywood actor, you be wetin I wan call, na Judy Austin put head leave Mr. Obasi. You think say one better man now wey better pass you go come Judy Austin way, e go come say because of love she no go follow am. Which love? House help don scatter everywhere, my pipu. Internet on fire. They say Judy was even cheating on Yul Edochie. Nothing wey we no go hear o. What Judy cannot do does not exist. Dis na Bazi News. Hit on the follow button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and remember to put up the post notification bell. I pity for Yul Edochie sha. Hi!